Are you looking to make your Shopify store more organized and user-friendly? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pages to your Shopify store and seamlessly integrate them into your navigation menu. Whether it's an About Us page, a contact page, or any custom page, this guide will have you covered step by step. First, log into your Shopify account and head to your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Online Store, and from the expanded menu, select Pages. Here, you'll see all your existing pages if you have any. To add a new page, simply click Add Page. Now, give your page a clear and descriptive title. This is important not only for your visitors, but also for search engines, so make it precise and relevant. Next, focus on the content. This is where you can add text, images, or any information that best explains what your page is about. Think about what your audience would find helpful or engaging. Once your content is ready, choose a template for your page. Shopify provides several preset templates that set the layout and style. Don't worry, you can always adjust individual elements later. When you're happy with everything, click Save and your new page is officially created. But we're not done yet. To make sure visitors can actually find your page, you need to add it to your navigation menu. Go back to Online Store and select Navigation. Choose the menu you want to edit, click Add Menu Item, and link it to your new page. Save your changes, and just like that, your page is live and easily accessible from your store's menu, and that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a new Shopify page and integrated it perfectly into your store's navigation. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tricks that will take your store to the next level.